In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify table borders in Confluence for a cleaner look. If your tables feel a little heavy or distracting, dialing back the borders can make your content easier to scan and much more professional. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to adjust. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you're comparing before and after, it can help to open the page in a second tab so you can quickly switch and review your changes later. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. This brings up the editing toolbar and gives you access to the table controls you'll need. Click inside the table you want to adjust. As soon as your cursor is in the table, Confluence reveals a context toolbar and small handles around the table. If you plan to apply changes to the entire table, it's a good idea to select the whole table using the handle that appears at the top left corner. That ensures your style choices affect every cell, not just a single row or column. Now open the table formatting options. Look for the table icon or the More Options menu that appears when your cursor is inside the table. Depending on your Confluence version, this may show as Table Options, Table, or a formatting panel dedicated to table settings. This is where Confluence groups controls like width, header rows, stripes, and style presets. Within those options, look for settings related to borders, layout, or table style. The exact labels may vary, but you're aiming for anything that adjusts the table's grid lines or overall look. If your editor offers presets, scan for ones described as minimal, subtle, or borderless. Layout controls such as fixed versus responsive width and header formatting can also reduce visual noise, and row or column stripes can guide the eye without relying on strong borders. Choose a style with fewer or hidden borders if it's available in your environment. Minimal or borderless presets typically remove the heavy grid and leave just enough structure to keep the content organized. If border presets aren't present, pick the lightest grid style, and if offered, enable gentle row stripes to preserve readability. As you make changes, glance at the live preview inside the editor to confirm that text remains clear and aligned. Finally, publish the page and review how the table looks. Refresh the page if needed to see the result as viewers will. Check a few rows and columns to ensure alignment is intact, and confirm the content is easy to read on both standard and full-width layouts. If your instance doesn't show a borderless option, that's normal in some configurations. Use the most subtle style available for a clean, modern table.